Okay. What's going on? Good. Stuff on it, but
The Phantom Menace.
wait a second. Oh, that's cool. I'll move this over a little bit so it's better. Someone said it looks nice.
It is.
I wonder if this is really size. Probably not. Wait, so is this like, oh, this is bonus. So, what is each one of these? So is it the 4K one?
Alright.
Yeah, that one. Oh, so this is a bonus. Wait, but actually this is not a good one to look at because they're kind of both bonus, but... What does that one
It says bonus disc Phantom Menace.
say? Bonus disc, Attack of the Clone.
Are those 2 disc Blu-ray?
Yeah, but we're not probably gonna be like using the discs that much.
Someone asked the question.
Can I ask that question? Yeah. There we go to another one.
Blu-ray and
4K Blu-ray.
yeah.
And a digital. And a digital code.
Hello.
Come on. Can I see the next? Can we go to the next? Can we go to this? Oh, that's cool. They're like kind of thick. They're kind of strange back. So wait, one of these must be 4K then. Right? Oh wait, this is a bonus.
Yeah.
Oh no, so it must be one bonus for each one.
The bonuses are probably not in 4K.
Wait, but this had Attack of the... It's different.
I'll
Huh.
show you.
It only has one. What's that?
So if you go back,
Oh, this feels...
one of these. That's
Oh, so that's the 4K. So what does it say here? 4K.
Empire Strikes
So what is this one?
It's probably just a Blu-ray.
Yeah, okay. So 4K on this side, and bonus or non-4K on this side. It depends on which one.
No, I didn't break it, Matt. I hope not.
That's so, the artwork is cool. Oh, really big but real. It's kind of cool. Yeah, this box is neat with the slidey bit.
Laserdisc? Yeah, that would be good, Matt.
Got the pristine quality of 480p. Yeah, small.
Can they hear it? It's like, here's it's live.
Wait, this too. And this, the codes. I guess we have to redeem these. So. That looks so cool. Wait, is this like, can you feel it? Oh no. Wait, is there anything on the back? Oh. You're recording now.
Absolutely. 27 discs. I'll be here for the end of April. Plenty of time.